In this video, let's see how to use a counter widget of a classic Addon plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And this option for choosing a preferred layout. And in the left side bar, you can see widgets. Click on it and search for the counter, and simply click on it to add it in your section. And here you can change the counter title. The next option is counter value. Enter your preferred value here. The next one is counter suffix. Here you can add plus, percentage type of symbols. The next one is counter content. Enter your preferred content here. The next one is counter duration. Here you can change your duration of your counter. The next part is layout, and here you can change the preferred alignment for the counter. And the next one is counter layout. Here you can choose it from default, classic, modern, or list. Now let's choose modern. And the next one is heading tag size. Choose your preferred tag size. And the next one is counter items, and here you can drag and drop needed items to the enabled area. And if you don't need any item, just simply drag and drop in the disabled area. Also, you can change the alignment of these items. The next part is icon. Here you can choose your preferred icon from the icon library. And click on insert. The next one is view. Here you can change the view of the icon from the tagged, default, and framed. Let's choose framed. The next one is shape, and choose the shape of the icon, circle or square. Let's choose circle. The next part is image. If you want to show on your section, you have to enable it in the layouts area. You can upload your image from media library, or you can upload it from your computer. Also, you can choose your preferred image resolution here. Let's moving on to style area, and here you can enter your inner space value for your counter. Let's give 10 pixel each side. The next one is margin. Here you can enter your outer space value for the counter. And here you can change the font color and background color for normal and overview. Let's change the font color now. And if you want to change background color, you can change it here. Else you can remove it. Also, you can change it for hover too. And if you want to enable box shadow, you can simply enable here. The next part is title, and here you can change the title color for normal and overview. Now change it in the normal view. Now let's change it in the overview. And the next one is title margin. Here you can enter outer space value for the title. Let's give 5 pixels. And the next one is title transform. Here you can choose from capitalized, uppercase, or lowercase. Let's choose capitalized. The next one is title spacing. Here you can adjust your title space as per your requirement. The next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style for the title. The next part is counter, and here you can change the counter color in the normal and overview. Let's change the counter in the normal view now. Now let's change it in the overview. And the next one is counter margin. Here you can enter outer space value for this counter. And the next one is counter spacing. Here you can adjust the bottom space of the counter. And the next option is typography. Here you can change the font family and font style for the counter. The next part is icon, and here you can see primary, secondary, and border colors. You can change it in the normal and overview too. Now let's change it in the normal view. Change the primary color now. Let's change the secondary color. And let's change the border color now. Let's change it in the hover. Change the primary color here, and let's change the secondary color. Now let's change the border color. The next option is size. Here you can change the size of the icon, and here you can adjust inner space value for the icon, and here you can rotate your icon. The next one, spacing. Here you can adjust the spacing under the icon, and if you want to change the border width, you can enter the preferred value here, and here you can set border radius for the icon. Let's give 10 pixels. And the next one is icon animation. Here you can choose your preferred animation. The next part is image. Here you can change the background color for the image in the normal and overview, and here you can change the image style like square, rounded or circled, and here you can resize the image, and this is the spacing under the image. You can adjust it as per your requirement. The next one is padding. Here you can enter your inner space value for the image, and also you can set border for your image. The next part is content. Here you can adjust the description space, and also you can change font family and font style for this content. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.